I want to get some walnuts toasted for our banana nut bread. I'm just gonna do like a rough chop. We're just gonna toast these for about 10 minutes. We need to melt a 1/3 cup, which is about 5 tablespoons. My butter has exploded in the microwave. Y'all, I'm making a mess. Okay, butter. All right, to our bowl of butter, I need 2 to 3 bananas. What did I do with my bananas? I like to freeze my bananas because I tend to not eat them in time. So we're just, oh my God. Oh God. Go in there. Oh my God. Okay. Stay in the bowl. Okay. 3/4 of a cup. We need 1 egg. We need a teaspoon of vanilla, but I always do more because I like vanilla. So I'm doing about a teaspoon and a half. Pinch of salt. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. One and a half cups of AP flour. There's my half. My cup. Now, I toasted some nuts, some walnuts. So I'm gonna put those in there. I have a 8x4 loaf pan. That looks lovely. Just gonna spread this out. All right. And if you have any little bits on the edge, if you clean that off before you bake it, it'll be easier to clean up later. I'm gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for 55 to 65 minutes. I'll see you back in an hour. All right guys, I pulled our bread out of the oven. Now we're just gonna slice it up and give it a try. It smells so good. Very good. I like the nuts added to it. You can definitely omit that though. I think eating this warm with some butter would be so good. Anyway, I'll post the recipe. Let me know if you like it. See y'all tomorrow.